If we have an understanding of impermanence, we will be able to practice the sacred teachings. But if we continue to think that everything will remain as it is, then we will be just like rich people still discussing their business projects on their deathbeds. Such people never talk about the next life, do they? It goes to show that an appreciation of the certainty of death has never touched their hearts. That is their mistake, their delusion. What is delusion? How shall we define it? It is just as when a madman runs outside on a cold winter's day and jumps into the water to wash himself, too deranged to realize that his body is being frozen. We think that such a man is insane, but in exactly the same way, when a Bodhisattva, clear-minded and undeceived, looks at us, our activities seem to him as demented as those of the lunatic. We should be quite convinced that we are thoroughly deluded, and that when things appear to us the way they do, separate from our minds, they do not possess the slightest degree of reality in themselves.